Hi guys! I just wanted to send one last quick message to you before summer hits us. Today is our last lesson, and it's a kind of a double-decker. It's about healthy relationships and unhealthy relationships. So there's two things you'll have to do for this, and so I will post them Thursday, and they'll be due next Tuesday. And I'm not going to be here on Friday, so 5, 6, and 7, 8 classes. If you have any questions, you may want to check this out on Thursday, or you'll have to wait till Monday. Anyway, so I would also want to just thank you for working so hard on this distance learning. I know we didn't really get much time face to face because second semester only went for about a month and a half or so before we started this weird stuff. But it's been very difficult for all of us. We miss our friends. I miss you. I know you miss being in school. But hopefully next fall we'll get back to normal. Keep our fingers crossed. But I want to wish you well at high school, and you all have a free pass to come back to Lake Middle School whenever you want, just to say hi. And we'd like to see how you are doing. All right. And as you start this relationship lessons, if there's anything I want you to remember, because this is going to be important for your whole life, in any kind of relationship you have, remember this: trust is a must, or the relationship is a bust. No truer words have ever been spoken. Trust is a must, or the relationship is a bust. Alrighty, have a great summer and enjoy, and well wishes in your high school career. Thank you. Bye bye. Bye bye. High five. Boop boop.